In addition to the standard sizes we have discussed earlier, CLO allows us to adjust the size of the avatar manually in Avatar Editor. Here we can set our avatar's measurements. At the top of the Avatar Editor you will find 4 tabs. We are in the Avatar Size tab. The rest we will cover later in the course. Underneath you will find a drop-down menu where you can select a type of avatar you need, and in the next one you can select its size. Next selection is Total Body. We begin with adjusting avatar's height and width. This way, we make sure that other measurements will change in proportion to the height and bust measurements, and the figure of our avatar stays realistic. We can use any units we like: centimeters, millimeters, inches or feet and inches. The height of the avatar can be set as a total height, HPS, and InSim. Next one is the proportion setting. You can activate it by ticking this box. In the first drop-down menu you will find 2 options: center front neck to waist and inseam. When you select one of these options, you lock the measurement in the next box and force your avatar out of classic proportions. When you change the height of your avatar, your proportion measurement stays unchanged. This way you can adjust the length of the torso of your avatar. The width can be set as a bust circumference, under bust circumference, and weight. If you select the weight option, you will be able to set the weight of the avatar in kilos or pounds. In addition, the Total Body Shape section will become available, where you will be able to select the shape of the body. These options will work with both male and female avatars, but will not work with kids. Under Details, we can select from the Simple, Basic, Advanced Human Body, and Advanced Dress Form options. Depending on an option you choose, you will have more or less measurements available for you to adjust. You can start with a simple option and then switch to a more advanced one for more control. Note that when you select the simple option, the total body shape is activated automatically. If you click on this icon, you will be able to toggle the measurements view and will be able to see them all, active and inactive ones. The Details section is split into upper body and lower body, with measurements grouped into different types, such as circumference, length, height, and extra measurements. When you click on the measurement, it will be highlighted on the avatar. If you can't see it, make sure to switch on Show Avatar Measures in Avatar Display Shortcuts. And if you select the measurement with an Edit Measure tool, it will be highlighted in the Avatar Editor as well. When you select some avatars, blue ticks appear next to certain measurements. When you untick a measurement, you won't be able to change it manually. Instead, CLO will change them automatically when other measurements are adjusted. When all measurements are set, we can save them by clicking the icon in the right top corner of the window. CLO will save it as an avatar size file. The folder icon will allow us to open the size files we have saved earlier and apply them to the avatar. And the arrow icon will reset all measurements. The avatar size file is saved as a separate file, and it doesn't contain the avatar itself. Our saved sizing file can only be applied to the avatar we adjusted in the first place, in this case Camilla.